car meet at my place, I guess.
When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
So we had to make an OL's run right quick.
And I just made my own coil pack wire.
We had to get the trailer. This is going to my Mustang.
Gusper, see how good that is on there.
I'm hearing things. Coming from right over there.
Hope it's Sasquatch.
So, probably Arthur.
Eyewitnesses describe a dark, hairy creature standing on 2 feet. It is said to be 7 to 10 feet tall and weigh nearly 400 pounds.
So this is my brother's Jeep. He got it, and I think he blew the 4.0 inline 6. I think he blew it up that was in it. And then, so he had the Mustang that Gus bought. That engine was in it, and he took it out for whatever reason. I don't know the whole story, but anyways. So he quit driving this, and so we're getting the engine back out of it. Even though it'd be cool to keep the engine in there and drive it around like it is, but this engine was made, from what I understand, was made for the car. That
Hey, look how much clearance the friggin' it has against the frame and the headers.
Yeah, I'm sure though it was massaged a little bit to make fit, because you know a lot of Jeep,
look at this right here.
a lot of Jeeps don't have Ford V8s in them.
There's a dent right there. Somebody sledgehammered it.
So
there's maybe not even an inch of clearance.
So yeah, we get all the stuff cleared off with the exhaust, put the battery in it, and see if it'll fire up.
Maybe. I'm just hoping it has just whatever gas it has just to get by, huh?
Maybe that'll work. I got an idea. I don't want to do this to your engine, but I'm going to have to, Gusper. It's fixed.
We're all loaded. Oh, wrong side. Loaded down. You know exactly what's going on. Can't show it though. Turn the lights on.
They are on.
Oh. What gear are you in?
Death wobble.
Get right through.
Get it now. Clear her out.
Gently now, you just want to kiss the ground. Just a little peck, a smooch like you're kissing your sister.